with Tailspin Farms. I was thinking about it, of showing you how to make sweet tea. I grew up with sweet tea, drinking it 24/7 it seems like. The sad thing is I probably have consumed more sweet tea than I have water. I know that's bad, but it's real hard for me not to go through the day without me a glass of sweet tea, iced sweet tea. And but I just wanted to show you how I grew up making tea, and we still make it today the same way. You can use any tea bag that you like. There's Lipton, Louisiana. We buy HEB brand, and their tea is just as good. This is the one that we happen to get, or I buy the smaller tea bags. But since we've been doing curbside with HEB, you get what you get. And these are a little bit bigger tea bag. So these are the big family size. And for what I make, I use 2 of these. And I put them in my water and bring the tea to a boil. Let me bring you over here and let you see. I already got my water in the pan, and I have a tea pan. That's all that's ever made in this pan is just tea. Let me see if you can see it. So I have it on and have it going, and I'm gonna put my tea bags in there. Bring you back over here. See if I can tilt you where you can see what I'm doing. And this is just a pet peeve of mine. When I pull my tea bag out, I always pull the paper off because I just don't like for it to get messed in my pitcher of tea. So I just drop them in there. And I bring it to a boil, and then I turn it off and just let it sit there for 5 to 10 minutes and let it steep. And also, I always put my sugar in my tea pitcher first. This is the size of tea pitcher. I have several of these, and I keep 2 to 3 gallons of tea going every day. That's how much tea we drink. So this particular pitcher is older than all 3 of my kids, are about the same age. I probably got this pitcher when Bubba James was a little toddler, and so this means it's 30 plus years because all of my kids are in their 30s now. But the lid has broke. This was a Tupperware pitcher, and I just love it. There's nothing wrong with the pitcher part. So anyway, that's my pitcher. Let me get my sugar here. So I have a big old jar. Let me set the lid there. So I have my jar that I keep my sugar in, and I use probably about, let me see, I don't even know if the measurement is still on this cup. It's worn off of this cup. So this cup equals 1 cup of sugar. So I just go ahead and throw it in. So that way, when I pour my hot brewed tea over it, it dissolves all the sugar. And then when I add the cool water to it, it will mix it up real good. One thing I like to do with the tea is also leave it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours before you drink it. It just seems like it absorbs the tea better, or something like that. I mean, it just, to me, it tastes better. Everybody has their different preferences. So just a big old glass of iced tea sounds so good. And like I said, I'll bring this to a boil and mix it. And while I'm waiting for that to boil, I'll bring you back in a little bit and we'll go from there. Okay, everybody, I'm back. So the tea has boiled and it's been sitting here for a while. I'll show you what it looks like if I can find it. There you go. So that's what it looks like. I got my pitcher over here in the sink, ready to put my tea in. I'm coming back. So I know I sound funny. I have a particular pan I use all the time, and I use this spoon as my teaspoon. And I just, because it has slots in it, so that way I can press on the tea bags and get all the tea out of them. So do that, press it down, because I don't like to leave my tea bags in my tea. It seems like it will, the tea bags bust, and I just don't like to have tea grounds in my tea. So let me throw this away. Okay, now I just go ahead and I run cold water into my tea. Oops, can't really get you very good in there, can I? So, and I go ahead and fill it up. And then once this is done, I get to have some more iced tea. That. Let me bring you around and I'll show you my pitcher of tea. So here is the pitcher of tea. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let me readjust my camera. And there. And you can slice up, if you want to get really fancy, you can slice up orange slices, put it in your tea, lime. I kind of go through spurts where there is times I do use lemon in my tea or lime, but this is normal. Most of the time I have a mason jar with my iced tea in it and carrying it around. It just keeps it so nice and cold. So please let me know what you think. If you try my recipe, I'll have a lot more information in the comments and give you a link to the post on making tea. And what else? Then let me know if you try it, how you like it, and how you like your iced tea. So please like and subscribe to our channel. All your support helps a lot. Y'all take care and have a blessed day. Bye now.